Welcome back. You're watching Ian King live from the heart of the city. One of the world's biggest chemicals companies, INEOS, has weighed in on the row over fracking. The owner of the huge Grangemouth plant in Scotland doesn't currently have any licence to extract shale gas in this country. But the company says it will give away more than £2.5 billion to communities close to drilling sites once its new business is underway. Joining me now is the director of INEOS, Tom Crotty. Now, Tom, very good to see you.
Thank you.
You want to give 6% of total revenues to local communities?
That's correct.
Why?
Well, basically because we've learned a lot about the industry from the work we've been doing in America. We're bringing a lot of gas in, or we're planning to bring a lot of gas in from America. We've got very used to the operation in America. We've seen how it's transformed our business in America. And one of the key things there is you are required there to pay the local communities because they own the mineral rights. That's not the case in the UK, but we think it's a really, really good practice because that way you're democratising the shale gas revolution. You're giving something back to the communities. We can't pretend there's no disruption. There is disruption up front when you develop a new site, and we think there should be a reward for the communities, and that's what this 6% is all about.
And so how do you arrive at 6%?
We arrive, there's no huge amount of science to it. We've arrived at 6% because we believe it's the right amount of money. It's very similar to the sorts of rewards that work in America, and that's where we've taken our learning from. And we hope in doing this that people will see there is benefit. We're looking at developing our business in the industrial heartlands of this country, which is where we think shale will have the biggest benefit. It will rejuvenate manufacturing, and we think those benefits need to be reflected back in those communities, and this is one more way of doing that.
Now, the trade association, UK Onshore Oil and Gas, is only talking about a 1% of revenues payout. This puts you at odds with them, doesn't it?
Well, I don't know. I mean, all we can do is speak for ourselves. We come at this from a different place. We're not an oil and gas company. We're a chemicals company. We're a manufacturing company. We believe that a different approach is required to really, if you like, break the logjam of development here, to really get it going. We're treating this as a manufacturing operation because it's a repeatable operation. Drilling wells you need to do properly and well and safely. Otherwise, if you do one badly, you can't do the next one, and you've got to keep doing them. And as a manufacturer, we think we can do it well, and this is another way. Maybe we come to this from a different place from existing players.
Now, the environmental lobby says this is nothing more than a cynical bribe.
Well, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. If we didn't give any money away, we'd be accused of being greedy, and if we give money away, we're accused of bribing people. It's not designed as a bribe. It's part of a package of an approach that we're taking. We're laying our stall out in advance of getting involved in this industry. You said we hadn't got a licence. We have actually got a share in one licence in Scotland so far. We're looking to bid into more. We're looking to bid in the 14th round, which closes next month with the government. And hopefully that way we'll build a substantial business. If we do build that business, then we will be looking at giving away something like £2.5 billion over the next 20, 30 years.
OK, Tom Crotty, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.